Hi everyone, welcome to our new listing 65 Hyacinth Crescent, Toronto. It's located Morningside and Magnica. It has no sidewalks. You can park 2 cars. Let's go in. This is a living room with a hardwood floor and spotlights. Is a powder room in there too. Open concept, more upgraded kitchen, squat countertop, backsplash and stainless appliance. Family room and dining combined together with the natural sunlight. You can walk out through the dining to the deck. It has a huge deck. Staircase go to the second level. There's 4 full-space washroom with the master bedroom. The huge master bedroom with the natural sunlight. It has a big walk-in closet. Second full washroom. Second bedroom and third bedroom. Go to the basement. Brand new kitchen with brand new appliance. The living room with a separate entrance. One bedroom with a full washroom. If you have any question, you can reach Gayathry. Thank you.